Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Label Expo India 2018, where we at Graphic Technologies are pleased to bring to you our Ultraflex UFO 8-color fully loaded flexo press with servo motors, in-feed, out-feed. I will explain the features of the press shortly, but this is the first time we are showing this press at an international show, and I hope we do well. I would like to now introduce you to all the various features of our press. We start here with a hydraulic roll lifting. It's not a mechanical or a pneumatic roll lift, it's a fully hydraulic roll lift with a lot of power, and you can lift a lot of weight with this roll lift. We have here an integrated splice table, which you will just see shortly. Inline Corona treater with a water-cooled chill drum. This is something not found on many presses. We use this to ensure that the film doesn't get hot on the edges. Integrated web guide with a line or edge sensing scanner. We have a dancing roll system and a closed loop tension control with an inline web cleaner. Moving on, we have D-lamp, relamp and a web turn bar. Print stations with open house technology. You can remove everything in just a few seconds. No tools are required. The press, as you see, is a fully automatic register, 2 servos per print station. One servo controls the impression and the chill drum, where the other controls the plate cylinder and the register. Here we have the Ultraflex print head, which is an open house concept. We have access to all the functions with the help of a button. You don't need any tools. The press of a button, you can remove the plate cylinders, put them back, lock them in. To open the anti-locks, it's totally open house technology. The ink tray and the level of the platform is very easy for the height of the operator. There's no stress, you don't have to bend too much. It's designed to keep operator fatigue also in mind. Here we have a peel and seal unit, which is also known as coupon or piggyback labels. Here you can print on 8 colors and then do a peel and seal. The units are flexible, and as you see, I can move them to any position of the press that I feel like. We can do a peel and seal up to 4 layers with 8 colors. The press has 2 integrated die stations with auto register, and these die stations can be used for cutting on the top or bottom cutting. We have a very strong and powerful web video inspection system. This is a video with a control touch panel with a large screen TV. You can see the LED monitor is 55 inch, so you can see an image larger than life. You can see the complete picture. The press can be integrated with a 100% defect detection system. Here you can see we have installed the AVT, which is over here to control and inform the printer if there is any problem with the print, if there's any misprint. It's a totally 100% defect detection for your printed material. Here I would like to show you the back side of our machine. The speciality of this machine now, as you can see on the back, is it needs no extra room for any peripherals. Everything that is required is built inside the machine. The UV dryers, the hot air IR systems, the exhaust systems, each and every peripheral, which is an ancillary, is already built into the machine. You can see here we have designed the machine with a panel on top of the press. Easy work, easy maintenance, no clutter of cables, no wiring. Absolutely phenomenal design by our team to integrate everything within the boundary of the press. There is nothing outside the press, so you could actually put another press 2 meters away and you have all the space in your press room to add capacity. I'm going to show you how neatly we have managed to build the inside of the press. All the blowers, cartridges, everything, the hot air, IR integration is all within the press. Another unique feature of our Ultraflex UFO is the hybrid integrated UV drying system. The UV drying system is a hybrid between a conventional UV and a LED UV. The UV system can be swapped in under 30 seconds from conventional to LED. And I'm going to show you how we do that. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change from conventional to LED UV. Here we have a conventional cassette with a UV lamp, which I'm now going to replace with a LED system. Here you see the LED UV system. We simply here we go. We are now changed from conventional to LED in just 30 seconds. The secret of our quick and instant register is our Ultraflex video plate mounter, which mounts the plate precisely and most accurately, allowing the press operator to just press the run button without making any register adjustments. I'm going to show you how we do this. To begin, we have 2 register marks on the plate. A pneumatic plate clamp clamps the plate, and we align the register marks to an approximate location on the cylinder. We clamp the marks, bring in the cameras to an approximate position, and here you can see that I am off by maybe a 1 or half a millimeter. This register mark which you see is actually 1.5 millimeter on the plate. So you're seeing a very large magnification. To align the plate is simple. We have a skew control over here which precisely aligns the plate, and then we also have a lateral adjustment which aligns the plate laterally. Having said that, the press operator does not have to make circumferential or lateral register when this job goes onto the press. We have already registered the plate according to the position on the press. We have here the reader on the machine which will read this reference point and make a pre-register. And here we come and we lock the pin in a most accurate position, and now the operator can straight away go and mount the cylinder on the press, and you will get 100% register in your first repeat. Any small corrections due to deviation of mechanical tolerances can be done, but the first few meters are sellable. Another great feature about our plate mounter is that you can mount plates from virtually any press supplier. Any brand, any make, doesn't matter how old your press was, this plate mounter can accommodate plates from cylinders with bearers, cylinders with shafts, sleeves, and cylinders with just bearings. It's easy and simple to operate. We have here a mandrel for a sleeve. These mandrels are easily exchangeable for any number of presses you want. Here we have a mandrel which will accommodate cylinders with bearings, and here we have a facility to add cylinders with shafts. So any plate cylinder can be mounted on this video plate mounter.